Family Fun Time on CoastLife is sponsored by Kids Ketch.
Well, Fridays are a great game night day. Everybody's home for the weekend. And you know that if it's a game day, we call in the expert. We've got not just Lori Smith joining us on the couch, but I brought in an extra player. Our field correspondent, Kendall Gordon, is joining us for a little bit of fun and games, which we appreciate. Now, what you might not know about Kendall is she can be very competitive. So I'm curious to see how this goes. Lori, I don't know if you've played any games with Kendall.
I'll play nice.
But I've heard.
I'll play nice.
But Lori, of course, you are with Kids Ketch, and you always bring the fun. You guys have a lot of stuff going on for the month of October. I know you guys are busy. You got new stuff coming in. That also means some of the old stuff, it's got to go, right?
That's right. So this weekend, we have our sidewalk sale. Good chance for us to make room for the new things that are coming in and then give some great deals to our customers. Almost everything is 50% off on the tables. So we've got games, puzzles, crafts, science kits, anything we have in the store.
Fantastic.
And then we also have some clothing out there. So clothing, children's clothing, size newborn to about size 8. We'll have some of the previous season clothes out there as well.
There you go. I'm hearing it's going to be a good time maybe to get in if you've got some gift giving to do in the coming months.
And it's all weekend. It's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 10 to 5 right on 2nd Street.
There you go. If you need a new game for the family to play, it's going to be a good time to go and shop around as well. But as always, Lori, you've brought some great games with you. I know these ones we're excited to dive into. So what have you got?
Yeah, these are some fun ones. So one of the new things we have coming in are the games from the OP company, the OP game company. The one I wanted to show you today is called Tacta. So it's very colorful, as you can see.
Yeah.
It comes with 6 decks, so you can play with 6 people. But one of the cool things is it has lots of variations. So if you wanted to have teams and divide the decks up, you could do it that way. You can have where you take turns, or maybe you don't take turns, and it makes it a faster action game. It's 7 and up is the age they suggest.
Emphasis on and up. I'm having fun.
That's right. And it takes about 20 minutes, so it's not too long.
Yeah.
But a lot of fun and just like
Works your brain a little, you know, you got to do a little
also,
math, a little bit of geometry.
You do, but not overwhelmingly, so that you can't like talk and have fun while you do it.
Right,
It's a great
right.
party game, and
Perfect.
of course, families. You know, it's a great one to play with your family as well.
Yes, and speaking of more fun party games, you've got another one with you.
Game? Yes, so this is, and I wanted to mention we have a couple other games from the OP too. We have Flip 7, which is a great new card game as well.
Fun.
We've got lots of great reviews from that. And then the Mini Tapple, which is like the old Tapple, but it doesn't have any batteries or any thing like that, but it uses where you can pop the letters, for instance, pizza topping. So mushroom would be letter M, and you can use the timer like that.
Perfect
so this
for a road
is a
trip.
great travel item there. And what I also brought in was called Kazoo That Party Tune.
Amazing.
Yes. So this is a new one that we have, and I didn't know if you want to give it a try today.
Do we want to give it a try?
So it's sort of, yes, we each have our own kazoo. It comes with 6 kazoos, and then 200 cards that have names of songs on them. So you can divide up in teams, or you can play individually. Just to give you a little taste of what it's like here. So I would pick a card.
Okay.
Flip it over, or I would look at it first. Okay, you ready? Here we go.
Okay. All right. This is going to be so... I also suck at kazooing, guys. Sorry. Okay. Okay, wait, hold on. hold on.
Eye of the tiger.
That was pretty good.
How did you get that?
I linked up with you. I saw the vision.
Oh my gosh. She saw it.
I did. It was on the shoulder.
Now I know what you were doing.
Yes, it was hard.
That was awesome.
Let's see what we got. We'll do one more. Ooh, okay.
Yep, this is definitely the hard one.
I can hear it.
That's all I know. It's just the chorus.
You want to pass? You can pass and do another
Okay.
one too.
Wait, one more time. It's coming. Wait.
What is that song?
I don't know.
Give me a minute.
I don't know. Try one. Why don't you try one more? I want to guess.
And that was the easy
You're
one.
good.
Oh gosh.
Okay, let's see.
Yeah. Rock your body.
Oh my goodness. You guys are so good at that. Well, you can name that song in 2
I love
weeks.
this one.
Yeah.
All right,
so
Lori, if anybody-
kids do that party tune, as you can see. It's just a fun, simple game, but lots of fun.
Lots of fun. I can see this one being fun for any and all ages. So we're not done chatting with Lori and Kids Catch and all that you guys have going on for the month of October, because there's still more coming at you. We'll take a quick break, but there is more Coast Life when we get back.
Family Fun Time on CoastLife is sponsored by Kids Catch.
Well, before the break, Coast Life, we were playing some games here on the couch with our friends at Kids Catch. And don't worry, Lori hasn't gone anywhere, and Kendall is still joining us on the couch as well, because there's always some more fun to be had at Kids Catch. Because in addition to all the games, you guys also carry some really beautiful toys, and that is no exception when it comes to the Breyer horses.
Yes. So we love our Breyer horses. Coming up next Saturday, October 10th, we're having our Breyer Day celebration. Yay. It's a national event, goes on in all over the country. But in our store, kids or adults will be able to come in and paint your own Breyer horse. And we'll have some drawings, little giveaways. So just a fun day. I brought along the Hope horse for this year, for 2025. And if you want to open it up, you can see,
Show her off.
you know, Breyer they're known to be the premier brand in model horses. And we also carry a number of their play horses as well. This Hope horse, it's a series. So this year's Hope horse is focused on veterans, and $1 for each of the Hope horses that's bought will go to the organizations that combine veterans with the equine therapy programs.
Nice.
So one of those is the Wounded Warriors equine therapy program. And then there's also another one I wanted to mention called the Brave Hearts Therapeutic Riding. So every time we sell one of these, $1 will go toward those 2 organizations.
Perfect.
Great,
and what a
great
beautiful
cause.
gift too for somebody too. If you have a veteran in your life, I feel like this could also be a really special gift for somebody.
Exactly.
But what else? You guys have more going on. I know Melissa and Doug, always a popular brand at Kids Catch, and you've got a sale.
That is true. So for the whole month of October, we do this every year. We call it Melissa and Doug month, but it's 20% off all Melissa and Doug items throughout the store. So we've got games, crafts, all kinds of wooden toys. That's what they're known for. They're classic wooden toys. Just really good quality, really creatively designed items. I brought along a costume here. The Melissa and Doug costumes, they'll be on sale. So they're 20% off. Got lots of varieties. And they're great for
This one comes with the little measuring spoons and the little wooden spoons.
Yes.
Perfect for a little chef in your life.
Can even have a little name tag. Yes. So that's one set of costumes. But we also carry Great Pretenders, which I love. They're just so beautiful. This one has lots of sequins. It's a unicorn, so you get a headband with the dress. They're comfortable and washable, designed in Canada. So if you're looking for a costume that might double as like some dress up that you can play with all year long, stop in. We've got lots of different ones there at Kids Ketch. So I wanted to show you this new book.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
Kendall, you were already flipping through it
I
earlier.
was flipping through. I was like, I can see my house from here. It's so cute.
The title is A Haunted Ghost Tour in Delaware.
Cute.
So you can show some of the pictures. It's got the Breakwater Lighthouse there on the front, Legislative Hall up in Dover, Bethany Beach is mentioned, Wilmington.
Perfect. Yeah, you get the
all
Children's
over
Museum.
the
That's
whole
so cute.
state. Just very cute. Also, I like in the front here, you can actually write a little letter to who you're giving it to. So just really cute. And you can put it with like another I brought a little stuffed.
Oh yes, he's so cute. We gotta show him off
a little
too.
stuffed plushie. Makes a cute little.
He's so cute.
That's so cute.
But you guys always have, I mean, your staff is great, your store is great. I know, Kendall, you were able to go shoot at the store as well.
The pogo stick.
That was very fun.
And we also know that usually, Lori, you've left a few games here with us before, and they have become many a hyperfixation amongst the CoastLife team.
It's a great way, like if you have a business, it's a great way to like keep your employees happy and productive.
Yes, it is.
Play a game.
We can vouch for that for sure. So for folks, I mean, we covered it a little bit before the commercial break. You guys have the sidewalk sale as well. So what else do people need to know for the month of October when it comes to Kids Ketch?
Well, let's see. So come on in, sign up for our customer loyalty program, because for every purchase you make, you'll get 2% back, and that'll add up for your future purchases. We also have our free gift wrapping.
Yes.
Lots of new stuff coming in for the holidays. So it's just a fun place to be. Come in and look around. Our employees will be very happy to help you out and show you all the new things. Help you test it out a little too.
Perfect. Well, there you go, Kendall. I hope you had fun playing some games with us.
Great time. Always do.
Helping us, show off some of these other great products that you have here at Kids Ketch.
Yeah, and if you're down in the Bethany or Fenwick or Rehoboth areas, check out our store called Tide Pool Toys and Games. Our sister store is down there. Kids Ketch, like you said, we're having our sidewalk sale this weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and that'll be 10 to 5 right in downtown Lewis, 2nd Street.
There you go. So you got a lot to cover this weekend and for the month of October. And again, it's never too early to get a jump on some of that holiday shopping. And I know for me personally, a lot of my friends have little babies now, so this is just going to make my life so much easier. So Lori, thank you.
The earlier the better.
Yes, thank you so much for bringing the fun with you, as you always do. And thank you, Kendall, for helping us play some games too. We do have to take another quick break, but when we get back, Charlie and I have some awards to give out.